Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 64 reg, 1.6 TDI, wheelchair adapted Volkswagen Caddy Maxi with a 7-speed DSG gearbox. Direct from Motability. It's done just 34,000 miles from new, and as you will see from this short video, the vehicle is in grade A condition. Now, slightly different from the normal caddies that we sell, which are normally five seat plus the wheelchair. You'll see shortly that this one's a 4-seat plus wheelchair, extra long floor. There's a couple of other adaptations. It's got electronic parking brake, and also the pumps there for the lumbar support. So if you are in need of them sort of extras, they are ideal. As I say, 34,000 miles from new, main dealer service record, direct from Motability, as is with all of our other wheelchair access vehicles. Carry about 25 in stock. Generally they are for the taxi trade and the private mobility user, but this one would not be suitable for taxi. It's just got 4 seats in it. As you will see, the wheelchair user can sit in between. So the 2 rear seats, wheelchair in between, or scooter. It has a 71-inch long floor, which is very unusual in the VW Caddy Maxi. We've been selling these since 2012, and I can honestly say this is the first one that I've ever seen with this conversion. We've had them with the 4 seats where the lower floor goes up to the back of the seats, but never this long floor and where the wheelchair can sit in between. Not on a VW Caddy. So this has got a low-dar automatic ramp, so you get a remote control like that, very easy to use, green and red button on and off, up and down. So for the purpose of the video, it's as simple as that, finger on the button and out it comes, and that's it in its deployed position. So there you see, it's got 4 fixings at the back. Apologies for my shadow. So depending on the length of the chair or where you want the chair positioned, you've got, for the purpose of the video, the back anchorage is there, and then another 2 further forward. It's very similar to the Kia Sedona, but the Kia Sedona is not made anymore, so this would make an excellent alternative, and being that Volkswagen Caddy is a very popular vehicle anyway. There you go, reflex silver, rear parking sensors are standard, alloy wheels, air conditioning, power assisted steering, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated. So all your normal extras that you'd look for. If you're looking to part exchange a vehicle, we can do so. It doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We do take other vehicles in stock. We don't retail them, so we'll always try and get the best price for you. But if you want any advice on it or more details, simply give us a call on 01634 716 911. Also look at our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. On the website you can apply for finance. We use Motonovo. They tend to be the easiest to use. You can apply, like I say, on the website. Just find the car you want. You're not under any obligation to take the finance out, but you're more than welcome to fill out an application, send it over, then we know we can get you finance and we can adjust figures, deposits, etc., or even change the car for you after that. So again, the website's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. If you want a quick quote, we can send you over a quick quote. Just give us a call, 01634 716 911. Or if you prefer to pop along and see us and look at all of our stock, give us a call, you can make an appointment. You don't have to, you can turn up unannounced, but we do prefer you do make an appointment. And then we're at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL. Thanks.